Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to connect TradingView to Topstep. Now, the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is actually go to your Topstep account, and then I want you to come here and click on this icon to open up the settings. And then here under add-ons, I want you to go ahead and enable TradingView. So what you'll basically use, you'll be able to log into TradingView by using Tradeovate. And that is how you can connect Topstep. So you come here to TradingView, you just open up any symbol. So you click on this one, for example, this is Apple. You click on this icon to open up this in a new tab. Come here, click on full chart. And then what I want you to do here under the trading panel, I want you to scroll down until you see Tradeovate. If you don't see that, click on show all brokers. And then I want you to basically look for Tradeovate. Once you see Tradeovate right here, I want you to just go ahead and log in with your Topstep login credentials. So enter your username and password, and then you hit here connect. So this will work because you have enabled this. As you can see, it is activated. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Guides Archive. And that is how to connect TradingView to Topstep.